Let me take you for a ride.
Amazon stock has been on an upward trend for many years, and in the last few years has accelerated its growth by over 1,000%. However, its share price had a torrid time in 2022, decreasing in value by more than 50%. This has got many investors thinking about whether Amazon stock is a good buy for 2023. Stay tuned to the end of this video as we analyze the Amazon stock price prediction and whether Amazon stock is worth buying in 2023. Amazon started the first few weeks of the 2023 financial year on a good note after several structural changes that seem to have improved the company's outlook. One of such major changes was the announcement that over 10,000 workers had been laid off.
Amazon possibly cutting 10,000 workers starting as soon as this week.
This drastic decision was made in an attempt to reduce the input cost of production and automate most of its processes. But the initial high from investors upon hearing the announcement was quickly dumped after a report showed the amount outlaid as severance for all those employees and the number of lawsuits the company was dragged into after the process. Although the news dropped its share price, it is considered a good move for the company in the long term and might produce results in the coming quarters of 2023. Amazon Web Services, with its high profit margins and relatively low input costs, became the cash cow for the e-commerce giant in the last few years and seemed to be the ever-reliant source of revenue for the company. It was for many years like the piggy bank. The company could always dip in for cash. However, the fourth quarter financial report revealed the sales from the cloud service business were below the project levels, making it the fourth straight quarter of decreased growth. This is in stark contrast to another product division that recorded its fourth year of increased revenue, as we will later see in the video. The news of AWS's slow growth, which was largely caused by macroeconomic factors affecting most of its biggest clients, sent negative signals to the market and dropped the share price, halting any upward gains made in the first quarter of 2023. This slowed growth of Amazon Web Services continues to be an issue for the company even in 2023. But there is light beyond the dark cloud hovering over the company. Analysts predict that the public cloud service sector will rise by just over 20% in 2023, bringing in revenues of over $500 billion. It would be an increase in revenue from the same sector, which had grown by over 19% the previous year. If cloud expenditure improves in the second half of the 2023 financial year due to better macroeconomic factors, investors should expect an upsurge in Amazon Web Services sales once again. And given the fact that Amazon dominates in this area with the largest market share, an upward trend in share price would be likely. Still, other product divisions within the company will also have to contribute their part to the upward trend, which will later be analyzed in the video. If you are enjoying the analysis from this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel to receive more insightful videos about the stock market. Another product division of the company, which has gradually become a market leader in the last few years, is Amazon Prime Video, which has now claimed close to 19% of the market share, only second to Netflix, which controls 21%. The streaming service has brought in over 200 million subscribers since its release. In the 2022 financial year, the Prime Video recorded a revenue of over $5.16 billion, making it the fourth consecutive year it had increased its revenue from the previous year. The end goal of Prime Video is to compete against both mainstream media and cable channels and streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. So far, it is succeeding in making its mark against other streaming services, but is likely to fall short against the mainstream channels, causing skeptics to wonder if it is a good investment. Nonetheless, this division is expected to expand and grow even more in 2023 as it closes more broadcasting deals with various sports leagues around the world and is likely to contribute to a bull run with its current trajectory. It is projected to add another 6 million subscribers. Heading into 2023, the Amazon stock, like many other technology stocks, would be hoping for a price rally as it continues to recover from its lows in 2022. Some structural changes have been made within the company, and although they are having a sour effect on revenues in the short term, the company is likely to benefit from them in the long run. Macroeconomic factors like inflation have also decelerated the growth of certain key product divisions within the company, with companies and individuals less willing to spend as much as they would have on Amazon Web Services. The dark horse that seems to be getting ahead in the race seems to be Amazon Prime Video, which keeps recording new peaks in revenues. With all that said, the Amazon stock looks to be a good addition to a portfolio for 2023, and investors are likely to receive a decent return on their money. However, this does not constitute expert financial advice and is only for informative purposes. If you enjoyed the analysis in this video, be sure to check out our next video, where we dissect JP Morgan's forecast for Amazon for the 2023 financial year.